Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 9s and we will present to you sir about advancing parallel computing, and for this topic we will use the computer HP VICTUS 16E series. Okay, here is our group members, and my name is Muhammad Aiman Shafiq, and the others one is Muhammad Aiman Najmi bin Muhammad Kamal, and also Anik Shazran bin Shahrizal. Okay, introduction to our presentation. We are using HP VICTUS 16E series. This laptop is a line of high performance gaming laptop designed to deliver a balanced power, affordability and style. The VICTUS 16E series cater to gamers, creators and multitasker who seek reliable performance in a sleek, minimalist design. It also powered by AMD Ryzen 5000 series processor and NVIDIA or AMD GPUs, making it capable of handling modern games, creative software, and productivity tasks with ease. Its robust build, effective cooling solution, and user-friendly features make it a compelling choice for both casual and serious user. Laptop overview. We using a HP VICTUS 16E series. So CPU we using a AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor with Radeon graphic. GPU we using NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. RAM we have a 8GB RAM, and also ROM we have 512GB ROM.
So next, we are going to talk about the central processing unit of our laptop, which it uses AMD Ryzen 5 5600H. And for the architecture and technology, it is built on a Zen 3 architecture, offering significant improvements in performance and power efficiency over its past predecessors. It is also manufactured using an advanced 7nm process technology, reducing power consumption and heat output. For the core and thread count, it is equipped with 6 cores and 12 threads, making it capable of handling multitasking and demanding workloads like gaming, video editing, and programming. For the clock speed, it can operate at 3.3 GHz under standard conditions at base clock. With boost clock, it can reach up to 4.2 GHz when additional performance is needed. And we are going to move to the performance. For our laptop, it is excellent for mid-level gaming, handle tasks like video editing efficiently. Its 6 cores and 12 threads make it well suited for running multiple applications simultaneously. It is also optimized for power efficiency, offering good battery life in laptops. So graphics processing unit is next. So for those who don't know, graphics processing unit stands for GPU, and for our laptop, we uses NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. We are going to only talk about CUDA cores. Our laptop features 896 CUDA cores, allowing for parallel processing and efficient rendering of graphics. CUDA cores are responsible for executing tasks on the GPU. More CUDA cores typically mean the GPU can handle more parallel tasks, improving overall performance in games and applications. CUDA core accelerate tasks like rendering, 3D graphics, video decoding, and AI-based processes.
Next, we will talk about random access memory. Okay, our laptop use 8GB DDR4 RAM with 3200 MHz clock frequency. Okay, DDR4 RAM is the 4th generation of DDR memory to provide improved performance, power efficient, and reliability. Okay, now we talk about data transfer speed. Okay, 3200 MHz clock frequency allow faster data transfer between RAM and processor, so it improves overall performance. 8GB RAM suitable for general multitasking, casual gaming, and productivity tasks. Okay, next we talk about increased refresh efficiency. DDR4 has improved auto refresh, and self-refresh cycle, which it help optimize power usage and extend battery life in laptop. Now we talk about better overclocking potential. Okay, DDR4 support better overclocking headroom compared to DDR3, allowing Heterogen and Gamer to push memory speed beyond default rating for improved performance. Now we talk about storage of laptop. Our laptop use 512 GB NVMe SSD. Okay. NVMe SSD is a high-speed storage device that uses the PCIe interface to deliver fast data transfer rate compared to traditional storage. It provides significant higher speed up to 7,000 MB per second, lower latency, and better multitasking capability by supporting multiple parallel data queue. NVMe SSD are designed to consume less power while deliver a high speed, making them suitable for laptop where battery life is important. Power saving feature like active state power management ASPM optimize power usage based on workload demand.
Cluster computing. Cluster computing involves connecting multiple computers to work together as a unified system to solve computational tasks. The laptop can participate in a cluster for specific tasks, particularly those that benefit from distribution parallel processing. First we will see a cluster setup. Cluster setup we need to see in two important things. First, networking. Second, software. For networking, use a high-speed local network to connect multiple systems, including the HP VICTUS. For software, for GPU tasks, use CUDA for accelerating specific workload. In workload, we need to see three important things. First, machine learning. Second, rendering and encoding. Third, and big data processing. First, for machine learning, run a lightweight machine learning models using framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch with GPU acceleration. Second, rendering and encoding. Use GTX 1615 for distributed rendering tasks in tools like Blender or video encoding in FFmpeg. Third is big data processing. Perform distributed data processing using tools like Apex Spark. Through RAM and storage limitation will constrain the scale. Okay, the challenge we need to face when we using a parallel computing is first hardware constraint. Because of my laptop is using GTX 1615 and also
RAM is 8 GB.
is causing a bottleneck performance in demanding tasks. Second, is causing a thermal throttling. Our laptop are not designed for sustained high performance workloads and may overheat. Lastly is battery life. Because of continuous operation in a cluster can drain the battery quickly.
Now we talk about multiple processor organization. Okay, the first one is single instruction, single data stream, SISD. Okay, it means a single processor execute a single instruction stream to operate on data storage in a single memory. Okay, the second one is single instruction, multiple data stream, SIMD. A single instruction operates simultaneously on multiple data points. Okay, the third one is multiple instruction, single data stream, MISD. It means the multiple instructions are executed simultaneously, but they operate at the same pace of data. The lastly is multiple instruction, multiple data stream, MIMD. It's the multiple processor execute different instructions on different pieces of data simultaneously. Now we talk about parallel processing in VICTUS 16. Okay, VICTUS 16 have used single instruction, single data stream (SISD), where a single core of a AMD Ryzen CPU is used to run basic applications such as browser and Microsoft Office. Okay, next, VICTUS 16 also use single instruction multiple data stream (SIMD), where AMD Ryzen CPU can do a parallel processing of multiple data point within a single instruction. Also, GTX 1615 graphic card also use SIMD for rendering SD graphic. Okay, next, VICTUS 16 also use multiple instruction, multiple data stream (MIMD), where multiple core in AMD Ryzen CPU can run separate tasks simultaneously within different core. In gaming, one core will handle physics calculation, while another core will handle other game logic. But VICTUS 16 doesn't use multiple instruction, single data stream architecture.
So we have come to the end of the presentation. So we would like to conclude that HP VICTUS 16 series laptop is a modern example of how parallel computing powers high-performance system for both everyday and specialized tasks. The combination of a multi-core CPU and a dedicated GPU makes it capable of handling diverse and intensive workloads. So for the typical users, the parallel computing capabilities of the laptop are more than sufficient for gaming, multitasking, video editing, and even machine learning tasks. So that's all from us. Thank you.